Hi guys, let's see some divine guidances. Let's start from Lord Shankar. Oh wow, beautiful. Om, the universal sound. The universal sound Om. Chant it to unlock profound spiritual growth. Specifically, focus on nurturing your crown chakra to attain a sense of eternity in your life. So, a very good message by Lord Shankar for today, that we should start chanting the universal sound Om. And really, if you are someone who are chanting it, you you have that experience. It is really something unique to experience when we start chanting Om, isn't it? So, do acknowledge it and start chanting it. Start chanting for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then if possible you can increase the time also for 30 minutes. And so I'm taking another message over here. Okay. Embrace light and sound, open to divine guidance. Pay attention to divine signs during meditation. Lord Shiva is bestowing his blessings upon you in the form of sacred sounds and in the illuminating light of wisdom. So, when you are meditating, if you are experiencing some flashes, some sounds, or maybe you can just a minute, you can also see some of these images related to Lord Shiva also, then these are your signs. And yeah, you may be able to hear the sound of this damru also, or something related to Om or something. It will give you that feeling, that vibe of Lord Shiva, listening to your meditation, to your prayers. So you need to be very alert about it. You will feel really very good. You can also hear the temple bell that has been rung. This is what I would say. I have heard from a lot of them, like people who are into spirituality. A lot of time they hear that temple bells also. So this can be your experience also. Let's see guidance from Lord Ganesh. Spiritual quest. So guys, now it is time for you to go within yourself and find your true self. And only spirituality can help you do that. So start meditating, start chanting mantras. It will help you a lot. This is what has been said to you over here. And you know, try to be more spiritual rather than materialistic. This is what I'm feeling over here. And instead of ego, please, you know prefer being a human. This is what I would say. Because someone who is like, who can understand others also, a sort of empathic. This is what I would say. Because this being an ego and all, it will just give you nothing in your life. But your spiritual journey, if you're spiritual, it will give you a lot of things. This is what I would say. And this is what Lord Ganesh is also conveying us today with this message, that now it is a time for us to go within ourselves and find out truly what are our likes, dislikes. Like, it shouldn't be that till now, till the date, like some of you watching this video, you were just living, you were just doing for the sake of this society, for the sake of your family, or to please others. No, now is the time to look for yourself. This is what has been said. Let's see guidance from Lord Hanuman. Focus on your goals. Focus your mind like I focused on Rama to achieve your goals. Cultivate concentration and mental clarity to manifest your desires. A very, very clear cut message. If you wish to become successful in life, if you wish to grow ahead in life, you need to focus on your goals. Maybe you may be coming through some obstacles, some challenges. They are the part of life. Or maybe universe is testing you with this, that how much are you focusing, also are you getting distracted. If you have something in your mind that this is your goal, this is your ambition, your career, or it can be anything, but purposely universe is throwing some options and some better things in front of you just to see how much you are focused or you get distracted. So be very mindful about it. And this is what has been said, that you need to enhance your skills of concentration and mental clarity. Maybe you are not sure about what you want in life. So This is why at times it is happening that you get distracted or get diverted. So there is a remedy given below. Chant Ram Ram as much as you can. Yes, it's a wonderful, wonder word. This is what I would say. Do chant it and experience it and put an intention for what you are chanting, for increasing your concentration, for mental clarity, for focus. Give that intention and chant for 108 times, or here it is mentioned as much as you can, but see, at least 108 times you can do that, and do with full intention, with full feeling. See the difference. Let's see guidance from Shiv Shakti and Durga Mata. So here's it. Let's start. Okay. Card is from Lord Maheshwara. Blessings of peace, so that you attract, so that you get peace in your life. Lord Maheshwara is blessing you. Do claim this energy, do claim this message. Beautiful one, beautiful picture also. Or if you're going through any situation also, so that you get peace in that situation. Now for that also you are getting blessings, so be sure about it. I'm taking another message over here. Okay. Message is from Bhadrakali Mata. Blessings of spiritual awareness. So if you're already into spiritual journey, you're moving ahead. Great. Congratulations. And for someone, I guess for some people, maybe you may enter into spirituality. Some or the other thing related to spiritual stuffs may happen with you, and you will be entering into spirituality. This is what I'm seeing over here. You're getting blessings from Kali Mata, Bhadra Kali Mata. Let's see guidance from Durga Mata now. Message is from Shitla Devi, Mariamman Devi. Blessings of surviving a pandemic. Maybe in near future, some or the other pandemic may arrive. If you are familiar, if you are watching spiritual videos, so you might be knowing there is some, predictions done by awakened souls, awakened spiritualists, that some pandemic may again come. So already well in advance, Shitla Devi is giving you blessings so that we all survive from it. So do claim the energy, do claim the message. Taking another message. Jagadhari Dhatri Mata is giving her message. Progress of your spiritual journey, leaving your materialistic desires behind. Wow. Another message. First was from Bhadrakali Mata, now from Jagadhari Mata, for spiritual progress, and so that we become more spiritual, leaving the materialistic behind. She is blessing us, especially who are already into spiritual journey. Do claim this energy. Spiritual people especially, I would tell you, do claim this energy so that you become more and more spiritual. And even if you're not much into spirituality but you wish to go into spirituality, then yes, this message is for you also. Even you can claim this energy. So with this I am ending this video. Thank you.